Hey everybody, this is Jared, also founder of Team Better You, empowering people to live healthy, fulfilling lives and bettering themselves each day to reach their full potential. I haven't worked out for a couple days because I had some issues with my brakes on my van and I had to get that fixed. So I like to do things myself, so I took a day and got that all done, and now we're up and running again with the van. And so now I'm getting back to my workouts. So this video is going to be about me getting back at my workouts, and hopefully I can help you get to your workouts too. So here we go. Just easy. You press play, and then he talks. I'll show you. It's what we're watching on the TV. You ought to check it out. It's so awesome. We're doing bulk shoulders today. He says get some light weights.
So you need that. 5, 10, all good. Are you ready? Got you at 9. Right there, straight up. Okay. You good? Slightly bend your knees. Making their weights facing each other. Chest up. Raise it right in front of you. Equal going. There you go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. And we're going to reach it. Left foot. See that? From here to the knee. We are warming up the shoulders from all corners, all sides. Good. You feel that? We got 4, 3, 2, 1, and to this side. Side raises. Nice. Slightly bend your elbows slightly. Make sure your wrist is nice and straight. All knuckles facing up. Nice. And you got 2, 1. We're going right to shoulder. And on my cue, 1, 2, and press. Down. Press. Down, good. Extend on your shoulders. Squeeze them hard. Good. Make sure you don't knock your elbows. Take bend your legs. Right there. 3, 2, 1. And bring it down right to upright rows. Nice. 1. Elbows out. Make sure your legs facing each other. You are controlling with your muscles and weight. Not the opposite. Up. Chest up. Keep going. 2, 1. Hold. Bend down. Reverse flex. Nothing else moving. Got your arms going up and down. There you go. Scratching the floor, going up. Knuckle facing all the way as high as you can. Then 3, 2, 1. Put it aside. Back to right jaw. Good. Both shoulders, guys. It's about to get beefy. Woo! Are you ready? You ready? All right, first set.
All right, this is real life with me as I work out, but I'm glad I can do it at home because check this out. Hi, what you doing? Do you need some crackers? Here, let's get you some crackers. This is my 2-year-old daughter. You say hi? And she wants some crackers, so just had a, there she goes. She'll be good for a little while. And now, I'm getting back to my video. I'm gonna do like a first set.
We got 2 moves. We got side laterals and Arnold press. Super set. 15 reps. 1. I'm gonna move my towel here. There you go. I'm gonna show you the move. All right. So I got 15 reps. I got 10 pounds over there.
Hope you guys are all having a good day today.
Here's the move, guys. First one. 15 reps. Feet. Slightly bend your knees. shoulders back, chest out, to the side, and back. Full control. Right there. Picking up the 30s, sitting down, watch the move. Start from the knees, kick, kick. Right in front of you, turn, twist, extend, light on your shoulders, bring it down, down. That's the move. Ready to roll? Ready to go. All right, guys.
We're doing 2 sets of different work.
1, 2, and beast up. 1, 2. Here we go. 3. Nice and slow. Control it all the way, especially on the way down. There's no hurry. We got 15 reps. We gotta build the shoulders. We gotta get them huge. We gotta get them ripped. We gotta get them shredded like 2 balloons. Sticking out 4. There you go. 3. I'm with you. 2. And last one. Up. Bring it down, guys. Right to the press. Arnold press. Favorite guy, my hero. That's right. Right there. And ready. And 1. And 2. And beast up. And slow down. And up. And slow down. And up. We got total 15. You see that? That's full control. I'm working the shoulders all the way from the front to the back. You want big shoulders. You want massive shoulders. This is it. Dynamic set training, that's what it's all about. Get to that zone, find your place, and you know what? Results will come. Remember, nothing beside the 10. Don't stop. If you have limited equipment, watch Brian.
All right, that was 12. That's just a little taste of this workout. If you want more information, I'll leave it in the link. Please share this video with your friends. Please comment below. Let me know you're watching or you're here. Say hi, I don't care. Just say something. Hit like. Any feedback, I love feedback. You know, how I can do things different or make my videos better. And also, please subscribe to my channel. Love to bring you my life and how we're making it. So, and remember, I'm always looking for people to join Team Better You. If you want information on how you can be a health fitness coach online and help people gaining full potential and living fulfilling lives, contact me. All right. I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.